Welcome to San Lorenzo, Paraguay, a lively city just outside the capital, Ascension, known for its university charm and vibrant energy. Whether you are traveling for studies, business, or exploring the region, San Lorenzo offers a mix of cozy guest houses and value-friendly hotels. In this video, we will take you through the top 10 best hotels to stay in San Lorenzo, each with detailed description, price estimates, and location highlights to help you plan your perfect stay. The first one is Hostel Jardin de Luque. Located in a claimed neighborhood in central San Lorenzo, Hostel Jardin de Luque offer a peaceful retreat with a homely feel. The rooms are basic yet spotless, with private bathrooms and thoughtful amenities like air conditioning and Wi Fi. Guests often praise the warm hospitality, especially for late check ins and airport access. It is ideal for travelers seeking affordable comfort within the city. The second one is Departamento in San Lorenzo. This private apartment is one of the top rated accommodation in this city. Loved for its modern feel and self-contained setup. With a cozy bathroom, living space, and kitchen teas, it is perfect for solo travelers or couples. Located near restaurants and markets, it is perfect for convenience of home within walking distance of everything. The third one is spacious Amplius con Terraza by Piscina Spa. Ideal for a relaxing getaway, this hotel offers stylish rooms with private terraces, a spa-like atmosphere, and even a small pool. Guests love the tranquil setting and spacious interior that feel more like a retreat than a hotel. It is slightly removed from the hustle but still close to the main areas. The fourth one is Kalina Eye, a clean budget-friendly choice located within easy reach of San Lorenzo's main road. Kalina Eye is perfect for no-frill travelers. Rooms are simple but offer essential features like air conditioning and private baths. Its proximity to bus routes make it a handy stop for those heading to Asuncion or nearby attractions. The next one is LFA House. LFA House offer modest accommodations with a great location, especially for visitors attending events or exploring universities in the area. The guest house has basic but functional rooms and shared spaces, offering a peaceful vibe despite being in a central zone. It is perfect for short-term stays. The next one is Hostel Casa Naranja. Hostel Casa Naranja stands out with its bright decor, clean room, and warm family-run service. It is centrally located, making it easy to walk to cafes, shopping areas, and public transits. Many guests enjoy its quiet charm and homely feel. The next one is Hotel Andre. This non-frill hotel delivers on comfort and location, especially for business travelers or short-term visitors. Rooms come with comfortable beds, Wi-Fi, and breakfast. Its location within walking distance of eateries and transport hub, making it highly convenient. The next one is Hotel del Sur. Located a little away from the downtown area, Hotel del Sur offers a peaceful atmosphere with good basic amenities. Rooms are neatly maintained and there ample parking and Wi-Fi included. Great for those wanting claim surroundings but still close to main road. The second last is Canarias Bed and Breakfast. This cozy B&B offers comfort with a personal touch. Rooms are simple yet welcoming, and the host is known for offering great local advice. Breakfast is usually included, and the location gives easy access to both San Lorenzo and Ascension. The last one is OKE Apart Hotel. OKE Apart Hotel provides a modern apartment style stay perfect for longer visitors or families. Each unit includes a kitchen tea, workspace, and a relaxed vibe. The property is just a short drive from the university zone and main city area. So that's wrap up our guide to the top 10 hotel in San Lorenzo, Paraguay, from cozy guest houses to spacious apartments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips and hotel recommendations.